Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth and I'm a freelance illustrator / designer. You can find out more about me at elizabethsartbook.com or at my Instagram, elizabethsartbook. I've been working with Adobe to bring you a tutorial on how to create a logo using Adobe Illustrator. Together we're going to create a brand for you that will really stand out and bring something special to your business. So make sure you keep watching to find out how to create the logo behind me and to find out more.
So the first thing you want to do is select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle in the middle of your artboard. You then want to go down to the bottom left hand corner to the fill and just switch these over so it changes to stroke and put this up to about 2 point. Now with the direct selection tool, we're just going to click on the circle and copy and paste it to create a duplicate. We're just going to put this to the side of the screen because we'll be using this later on. Now you just want to select this again, and clicking on the point at the top, we're just going to then delete it. You'll see this then turns into a bit of a half circle. So now you want to take the other circle and just put this directly on top. Now you want to hold down the type on the left to type on a path and then click on the circle. You'll then be able to type whatever you want and whatever you want your logo to say. So we're going to put Elizabeth's Art Book. And then you just want to select over this text, make sure you've got the font Nouveau Standard Bold, turn it to about 30 point, and then using the fill in the left hand side, we're just going to change it to white. You will see this is FFFFFF. Now using the select tool again, we're just going to twist this over just so it's on the left hand side and it's placed exactly where we want it. And by clicking away, you'll now see that the line is left underneath. Now I'm just going to slightly twist this just to put it in the right place. You want it to line up so the Elizabeth's Art Book is just where the line ends. Now I'm just going to add in some type in the middle of it. So you just want to go back to the normal type tool and you want to click and drag a little square. I'm just going to use my initial E to put inside. So you just want to type that in, copy it over and change it to white once again. And then increase the size on the right hand side in accordance to how big you want it. Now with the selection tool, I'm just going to drag this into the middle. And then to just add a little bit extra to it, I'm going to go to the line segment tool, and holding down the shift button will give you a straight line. So we're just going to hold down the shift button and pull along. Just going to do this and put it to 2 point, the same as we've got around the circle, and then we're just going to copy and paste it to put it again underneath. Now we're going to take the already used vector illustration up the top that I provided you with, and we're just going to add this onto the end of the circle. You might have to play around with size a little bit, but we're just going to shrink it down slightly and add it on so it really finishes off the end of the circle. If at any point you want to change this, the great thing about Illustrator is that you can also go to the pen tool on the left hand side, hold it down and add a point. You then want to select where you want to add a point on the circle, and then when you then go and select it with the selection tool, you can delete this and it makes the line a lot smaller. Perfect for getting this leaf in the right place for your logo. If at any point you want to change the stroke of the leaf, all you've got to do is click on it and change the stroke in the top left corner, or as you can see, it's also in the properties on the right. And there you go, there's your finished logo.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a logo using Adobe Illustrator. We've been working together on multiple downloadable assets as well as tutorials that you'll find to the side, so make sure you get downloading and get creative at home. Thanks again for watching and see you soon!